Hello, and this is another video on how to Mac. In this video, I will show you space management using the new mission control in macOS 10 El Capitan. So the first thing I will show you is how to create new desktops using mission control. And the first thing I want to do is activate mission control either by swiping up on your trackpad with 4 fingers like this, or if you have a magic mouse, you can double tap on the surface and activate the mission control. Or if you have a key on your keyboard assigned to the mission control, you can use that as well. And mine is the F3 key. And as you can see, when you activate mission control, when you have a bunch of windows open here, your windows will spread out on the desktop so you can find which one you're looking for. And then also up here you have your full screen applications and the dashboard as a space if you have that activated. So sometimes you maybe want to spread out your windows, so if you're working on one thing you can have just those apps in one desktop and some other apps in another task that you're doing in another desktop. Well, that is when this little plus button comes in handy. And as you can see, when you run your cursor over here, a new desktop peeks in, and when you click on that, it slides right in here. And you can put in as many desktops as you need. And now with this mission control, I can start putting windows into these desktops simply by clicking on them and dragging them. So I'll put the Finder in desktop 2, and I can put notes in here, and reminders in here, dictionary in 2, and pages in 2. So now all of my windows are spread out in the different desktops. And then when you're finished with using that desktop, you simply click on this X button, and the windows that were inside that desktop will come forward face or something like that. So let me just put these back in here. So when you have your new desktop here, you can actually customize that specific desktop. So if I go in here to the system preferences, I can change my desktop picture. So if I go over here to desktop and screensaver, I can pick another desktop picture just for that desktop. So now when I go to the mission control again, as you can see, this one has the Wave desktop for macOS 10.9 Mavericks, and the other two have the latest El Capitan desktops. And if you want to customize the other ones, you simply click on the System Preferences window and drag it into that desktop and choose another one, like so. So hopefully this video helps users who want to manage their desktop space on their Mac using the new mission control in macOS 10 El Capitan. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.